Come on, let's go inside. Hurry, it's starting to snow. Come on. Come on, what are you waiting for? All right, come on. Don't forget my skateboard. Stupid thing. Wait for me, you doofuses. Stupid boat. It's dark in here. No power. I seen a generator as we probably... It was probably the generator, I don't know. I seen a shed when we were on our way here. Maybe we can find something there. Or at least a generator. That makes no sense, but I think I know what you're saying. Go ahead. I'll go by myself. Okay, then? And don't worry, I'll be fine. Okay. It's cold, so be careful. I will. Thought that was a light switch. That's something else. It's probably those things, but whatever. Can we at least sit down? Ugh. It's okay. At least we're not in the cold storm. It is cold in here. Even when you take your scarf off. But I don't have my scarf off. But even if you do have your scarf on, it's still freaking cold in here. Probably because your scarf is thick. Take that back. Thick is thick. Thick, not thick. This. Ugh. Why did we even decide to come into this place? Oh, that was your decision, not ours. Whatever. What's taking her so long? She must have got it working. Of course. Back. It worked. And of course you can see that. But we should probably go to bed because we should be staying here. We're staying here? Oh, this really can't get any worse. Or rather, sleep on the floor in my scarf than be sleeping on that thing. What thing? That! Yep, we're sleeping on that. Might be comfy anyway, so beat it. Who are you? One down, two more to go. What's that? Don't look behind you. Look behind you now. Beware.